following message has been transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. There has been numerous reports of the Easter Bunny threatening people. The Easter Bunny is described to be carrying a basket full of painted eggs and is armed with a knife. Do not approach the bunny as it is considered extremely dangerous. At this time, secure all possible entrances in your home like doors and windows. If you are outside, get to the nearest home you can. If you see the Easter Bunny, dial 911 immediately. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. There has been numerous reports of the Easter Bunny threatening people. The Easter Bunny is described to be carrying a basket full of painted eggs and is armed with a knife. Do not approach the bunny as it is considered extremely dangerous. At this time, secure all possible entrances in your home like doors and windows. If you are outside, get to the nearest home you can. If you see the Easter Bunny, dial 911 immediately. This is the update from the Chicago Police Department. The Easter Bunny has just made a disease in candies. At around 12 p.m., the Easter Bunny had placed the virus in the candies. The symptoms include vomiting, coughing, diarrhea, headaches, stomach aches, bleeding from the ears and nose, blindness, amnesia, pale skin, and possibly certain death. The candies listed with the viruses are Starbursts, Tootsie Rolls, Tootsie Roll Lollipops, Skittles, Kit Kats, Kisses, Snickers, Hershey's, M&M's, Swedish Fish, Airheads, and Lifesavers. If you have any of these candies that were listed, don't eat them. If your candy was not listed, you are good. Keep the infected candies away from children ages 3 to 14. Stand by for more updates of this situation.
An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeat, an Amber Alert has been declared. At 2 p.m., a child by the name of Liam Alaric was abducted by the Easter Bunny. Liam Alaric is described to be a white male, age 14, short light brown hair, hazel eyes, height, 5 feet 4 inches, and weighs 104 pounds. Liam was last seen wearing a green Adidas hoodie with a black Nikes shirt underneath, wore black Nikes pants, and wore black and white Air Jordan shoes. He was last seen exiting a mall called Water Tower Place. The Easter Bunny appears to be driving a white truck with license plate BH24. If you have seen this child with the Easter Bunny, dial 911 now. civil authorities has issued a 911 telephone outage emergency. At 4:12 p.m., numerous 911 calls have been informed about people eating the infected candies that we warned you not to eat. As reminded again, do not eat the listed candies from the previous alert we issued. If you or your family member has eaten the infected candy, please dial 911 now. If you see the Easter Bunny, get away from it as far as you can. Numerous residents have reported seeing the Easter Bunny killing anyone in his path. Do not attempt to approach or apprehend the Easter Bunny as it is considered extremely dangerous. All channels will be suspended if this situation escalates any further.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Easter Bunny is now going on a rampage and killing anyone in his path. Do not turn off your TV, it is important to listen to this message. The Easter Bunny is planning to release dangerous missiles for 4 different cities. The first bomb will be released in Chicago, Illinois. The second bomb will be released in Los Angeles, California. The third bomb will be released in New York City. And the fourth bomb will be released in Houston, Texas. Anyone that lives in any of these cities must take an underground shelter in 5 minutes. If you are outside, get to the nearest shelter while you still can. All channels will now be suspended once the all clear is given.
A shelter-in-place warning is now in effect. The missiles that the Easter Bunny launched are now heading for the cities, Chicago, Los Angeles, New York City, and Houston. Anyone in these cities seek immediate shelter now. These missiles are believed to be carrying nuclear warheads. Anyone above ground, find the nearest shelter now. These missiles are incredibly deadly. You're at risk. Run as fast as you can. Anywhere you can. If you don't get underground now, you will face certain death. Stay underground so you can avoid this catastrophic event. Bring food, water and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the underground shelter. All channels are now suspended until the all clear is given. Missiles will hit in 20 seconds.
This is an all clear. I repeat, this is an all clear. The Easter Bunny, the individual responsible for the missiles and the abduction of Liam Alaric, had suddenly vanished into thin air. The catastrophic event is over. All residents are free to exit their shelters. The Amber Alert for Liam Alaric has ended. However, construction crew members still have several years to repair the damage that the Easter Bunny had caused. Thank you for listening and happy Easter.